China just deployed hundreds of humanoid robots that move in perfect military formation, swapping batteries autonomously and marching toward waiting trucks like an army preparing for deployment. We're watching warehouse robots process 16,000 packages per hour with 99.99% accuracy, collaborative robots performing surgery-level precision in textile workshops, and entire smartphone factories operating in total darkness at 3 devices per second. Today, I'm counting down 8 factory technologies that are rewriting the rules of manufacturing, and number 1 will show you why traditional factory work is becoming obsolete. Subscribe because automation waits for nobody. At number 8, the UBTECH Walker S2 deployment system. When drone footage captured hundreds of these humanoid robots standing in perfect formation inside a Chinese warehouse, the internet exploded with debates about whether it was even real. Watch as they autonomously remove and reinsert battery packs, then march in synchronized lines toward loading trucks. The robots stand 5.6 feet tall, weigh 167 pounds, and handle quality inspection plus material transport across BYD and Foxconn facilities. I know, why only number 8? Still early deployment phase with limited large-scale operational data, but wait till you see number 7. Moving to number 7. High Robotics Case Handling Systems. JD Logistics deployed 700 of these autonomous mobile robots in their Wuxi smart warehouse, processing 50% more orders than traditional facilities. The robots climb vertical racks reaching 23 feet high, retrieve specific cases with millimeter precision, and deliver them to human pickers in under 30 seconds per cycle. Alibaba's Cainiao platform uses over 100 robots classifying parcels to 60 distribution centers simultaneously. The system operates 24/7 with zero human guidance during peak shopping festivals. Could this eliminate warehouse workers entirely? Wait till you see what's coming next. Number 6 brings us AgiBot's Shanghai manufacturing operation. By December 2024, this startup produced 962 general-purpose humanoid robots from a single factory, shipping 700 units to commercial customers. The Yuanzheng A2 model stands 5.7 feet tall, handles 15-kilogram payloads, and performs tasks as delicate as threading needles. Multiple camera angles capture robots assembling other robots on the production line, a meta-manufacturing moment that feels straight out of science fiction. AgiBot operates what they call the largest embodied data collection facility, where 100 robots continuously learn from real-world tasks across 4,000 square meters. Unlike the previous entries, this represents verified commercial-scale production with confirmed customer deployments. This is what sets it apart from pure research projects. But the legends are coming. At number 5, a UBO's collaborative robot ecosystem transforming Chinese SMEs. Over 35,000 units deployed nationwide make this the first Chinese company surpassing 30,000 cobots, ranking first domestically and second globally behind Universal Robots. Their palletizing model stacks 9 boxes per minute, replacing 3 to 4 human laborers per shift. From textile workshops in Zhejiang province to electronics factories in Guangdong, these robots deploy in under 2 hours without requiring full technical crews. Small manufacturers now account for 40% of domestic orders as labor shortages intensify. The robots sense, adapt, and respond to surroundings with massage-level gentleness or industrial-strength precision. Watch closely as they switch between delicate assembly and heavy material handling seamlessly. Gen Z workers avoiding repetitive factory jobs have created the opening, and cobots are filling it fast. But can even this flexibility compete with what's coming? Number 4 takes us inside Figure AI's 11-month BMW deployment. From June 2024 through May 2025, Figure 02 robots worked 10-hour shifts Monday through Friday at BMW's South Carolina plant, contributing to 30,000 vehicles produced. The robots walked approximately 200 miles inside the facility, completed over 1,250 operational hours, and handled 90,000 sheet metal parts with 5mm placement tolerance. Historical footage shows the robots arriving pristine, then later coverage reveals scuff marks, scratches, and visible wear, proof of sustained industrial deployment. When Figure retired the fleet, CEO Brett Adcock called the worn appearance real-world validation. The robots achieved 4 times faster cycle times and 7 times better accuracy than initial trials. Multiple test runs captured on camera show autonomous manipulation, recovery from errors, and adaptation to environmental changes. This isn't a lab demo. This is proven industrial-scale humanoid deployment under production pressure, verified by third-party documentation and BMW's own statements. This 11-month marathon represents genuine progress in making humanoids commercially viable for manufacturing. But there's one technology that's even more extreme. At number 3, China's lights-out manufacturing facilities. Xiaomi's Changping Smart Factory manufactures one smartphone every 3 seconds without human intervention across 81,000 square meters of automated production floor. 11 robotic assembly lines operate continuously, managed by the company's Hyper-IMP artificial intelligence system, producing 10 million smartphones annually in near-total darkness. Foxconn replaced 60,000 workers with robots at their Kunshan facility in 2016, and they're targeting 30% full automation by 2025. Watch as autonomous guided vehicles deliver components. Robotic arms perform precision assembly, and vision systems conduct quality inspection, all without a single light bulb illuminating the space. The International Energy Agency estimates lights-out automation reduces industrial energy consumption by 15 to 20%. Infrared sensors, LiDAR navigation, and machine vision eliminate the need for traditional lighting entirely. From its first test run of replacing human assembly workers to today's ghost factories operating around the clock, this technology changed everything about how we think about manufacturing. China installed 290,000 industrial robots in 2022 alone, representing 52% of global installations. Proven track record across electronics, automotive, and semiconductor production. But can even these dark factories match what's accelerating now? Number 2, showcases. UBTECH Walker S1's commercial breakthrough. Over 500 orders from major automakers including BYD, Geely, FAW Volkswagen, and Foxconn make this the most extensively deployed industrial humanoid globally. At BYD's facilities, Walker robots collaborate with autonomous tractors towing 6 trolleys carrying 3.3 tons of materials between assembly stations. The robots perform visual quality inspections with 99% accuracy, tighten screws with electric screwdrivers, and handle parcels of various sizes without damaging components. UBTECH's BrainNet artificial intelligence system enables dozens of robots to self-organize and distribute tasks without human coordination. Everyone thought this deployment scale would take the crown, and here's why. The robots demonstrate genuine swarm intelligence across multiple automotive factories simultaneously. But there's one thing it can't match compared to what's at number 1. Number 1 takes the crown. Boston Dynamics fully electric Atlas humanoid. The April 2024 launch retired the legendary hydraulic version and introduced an electric model designed specifically for real-world commercial applications. And the latest footage from NVIDIA's GTC 2025 conference proves it's happening now. Watch as Atlas performs somersaults, cartwheels, and breakdancing moves with reinforcement learning-based movement policies. The robot navigates obstacles, maintains balance while running, and adapts its posture dynamically for disaster recovery scenarios. Powered by NVIDIA's Jetson Thor computing platform, Atlas processes sophisticated multimodal artificial intelligence models for real-time decision-making. But here's why Atlas wins. Hyundai confirmed commercial deployment starting 2025 with tens of thousands of units planned for automotive manufacturing facilities. The partnership isn't theoretical. Factory training simulations show Atlas learning parts sequencing for assembly lines right now. In November 2024, autonomous footage captured Atlas manipulating engine covers independently, moving between workstations, and recovering from positioning errors without human intervention. This isn't prototype testing. This represents verified large-scale deployment agreements with one of the world's largest automotive manufacturers. Every frame shows actual commercial operation capability validated by Hyundai's investment and deployment timeline. When Hydraulic Atlas debuted in 2013, it was pure research funded by DARPA. 12 years later, the electric version operates with commercial contracts, proven autonomy, and mass production agreements. This is how the future actually gets built. Proven results, confirmed deployment, major industrial partnerships backing real-world integration. The Atlas deployment proves we're living in the future where humanoid robots aren't science fiction, but production line reality. And if you think watching hundreds of robots march in formation was impressive, wait until you see what's next. These technologies are evolving faster than anyone predicted, and you don't want to miss what happens when artificial intelligence meets physical automation at scale. Subscribe and hit the bell because the future moves fast and you don't want to miss it.